The upcoming iQOO 7 series will be available on Amazon India when it launches in the country, the Vivo sub-brand confirmed through a press release. The lineup will include the iQOO 7 Legend and the standard iQOO 7. Vivo has teased an April 26 launch date for the devices, with pricing starting under Rs 40,000. Launched in China in January, the iQOO 7 is powered by the Snapdragon 888 SoC and features a 6.62-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. iQOO is packed in up to 12 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of storage. There's a triple rear camera setup at the back with a 48 megapixel main shooter and a 16 megapixel front-facing camera. The iQOO 7 comes with a 4000 mAh battery with 120 watt fast charging. The Realme 8 smartphone with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage has gone on sale in India. Powered by the MediaTek Helio G95 SoC, the phone features a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 180Hz touch sampling rate. The phone packs 128 GB of storage across all variants along with a micro SD slot. There's a quad rear camera setup at the back with a 64 megapixel primary camera and a 16 megapixel front camera. Realme has provided a 5000 mAh battery with support for 30 watt fast charging. The Realme 8 6GB plus 128 GB variant is available on Flipkart and Realme.com for Rs 15,999. The Realme C20 smartphone has gone on sale in India. The entry-level phone is powered by the MediaTek Helio G35 SoC and features a 6.5-inch HD Plus IPS display. There's a single 8 megapixel camera at the back and a 5 megapixel selfie camera. Keeping the lights on is a 5000 mAh battery which gets reverse charging support through the micro USB port. The Realme C20 is available through Flipkart and Realme.com and is priced at Rs 6,999 for the 2GB RAM and 32GB storage model. The Realme 8 Pro smartphone has begun receiving a new update in India. The 276 MB update reportedly brings improvements to the camera and optimizes the image stabilization during video recording. Realme has also improved the fingerprint unlock speed, fixed network issues, and reduced lag in battery saving mode. The Realme 8 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 720G SoC and sports a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display. It has a 108 megapixel quad rear camera setup and a 4500 mAh battery with 50 watt fast charging. The Realme 8 Pro is priced at Rs 17,999 for the 6GB RAM and 128GB storage variant. The Galaxy S20 FE 5G has begun receiving an update that aims to fix long-standing touchscreen issues with the phone. The new update also brings the April 2021 Android security patch. Powered by the Snapdragon 865 SoC, the Galaxy S20 FE 5G also features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. It sports a 12 megapixel triple rear camera setup and the 32 megapixel selfie camera. Samsung has packed in a 4500 mAh battery with support for 25 watt fast charging. The phone comes with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. Apple may be set to host a launch event on April the 20th, according to responses given by their Siri voice assistant. If asked when is the next Apple event, Siri currently says that the special event is on April 20th at Apple Park in Cupertino, California. Apple is expected to launch new iPad Pro models at the event with A14X chipsets equivalent in power to the Apple M1 chipset used in MacBooks. The 12.9-inch variant is also expected to get a mini LED display with better contrast and colors than an LCD screen. Apple has not officially released any details about the event. Premium camera accessory maker Moza have launched the Moin camera, a 4K compact gimbal handheld camera. Capable of capturing 12 megapixel stills, 4K 60 FPS video, and slow motion at 240 FPS, the Moin camera uses a 3-axis gimbal for video stabilization. It also features a foldable 2.45-inch touchscreen. The camera boasts a 14mm f/2.2 lens with shutter speeds ranging from 60 seconds to 1/8000th of a second, along with an ISO range of 100 to 3200. Users can also wirelessly transfer footage to their smartphone with the Moza Artist app. The Moza Moin camera costs around Rs 22,500 in the US. NVIDIA has announced its entry into the server chipset market with new ARM-based Grace chipsets specifically designed for AI data centers. The chipsets use ARM-based architecture that powers most smartphones and Apple's new M1 chips, rather than competitor Intel's x86-based architecture. NVIDIA plans to launch Grace chips in 2023 and claims they will offer 10 times the performance of today's fastest servers on the most complex AI and high-performance computing workloads. NVIDIA is currently in talks to buy ARM in a $40 billion deal.